Good morning, good friends. I wish you all happiness, all for love. So, this is a story of a couple, Balraj and Maheshwari. Balraj's family is good. Maheshwari's parents chooses her marriage over her education. Maheshwari gets to know that Balraj is Balraj does good social work, but the family is also involved in harming people, though they do so to protect themselves. But from then, Maheshwari keeps a distance from family and from her husband. But then, Balraj and Maheshwari go for a trip. After then, everything changed. They come closer, and now Maheshwari is also good with the family. What happens next? Do the people harm Balraj, Maheshwari or family? Or at the end, does it happen what Balraj and Maheshwari want? Do they live together in peace? To know this, let's go further in the video. Balraj and Maheshwari go out. The car gets circled by a group of men. Balraj fights with them. He protects her. Shiv is Balraj's brother. Srinivas is Mahapati's loyal person. Shiv says to the police that Balraj is innocent, and he does so to protect themselves. Balraj does many social work. He has many followers. They all come to see what is happening. They say police that not to do anything to Mahapati family's any member. Otherwise, they will harm the police. Balraj and Maheshwari go to Australia. Maheshwari says Balraj that not to involve harming people. Even the reason is to protect themselves. She doesn't like all this. Maheshwari wears an outfit before of her marriage. Balraj compliments her. Kushal and Priyanka are Balraj friends. Kushal says that Balraj has to get involved in all this. He has no other choice. Balraj says to Maheshwari that he will not do such things for now, for any reason. Priyanka's nature is very outspoken. She keeps asking about their married life. Balraj stays Maheshwari to complete her studies. They agree on this topic. Balraj takes Maheshwari to the new home in Australia. Maheshwari says him that to stay here and leave all behind, as she wants safety of Balraj. They all go for a lunch. Again there some men come to harm them. They run from them. But after that, Balraj goes missing. Maheshwari has given Balraj her Ma Durga Murti. And Maheshwari believes that Ma is protecting. She is a firm believer in Ma Durga. Maheshwari goes to India. She waits Balraj to come. After reaching India, Maheshwari's life is different these days. She misses her husband. She needs police in this regards. She proves to be a strong woman and a very good wife. When does she meet Balraj? What happens to the family? What happens to Kushal and Priyanka? Do they live in Australia then? To know all this, read the book. This book has a good cover page. This is a romance action storybook.